Okay, so you're welcome to another messy experiment in AI. Now, this is fairly standard data set, and just a reminder again, I need to check that autosave is turned on. Yes, it is. I can see it up there. Um, I have saved this to OneDrive, otherwise it won't work, and it's done in a table format. So up here is the table thing here. And I want to look at a couple of things in this. I want to look at, how I would do some simple filtering with help from Copilot. I want to do some conditional formatting with some help from Copilot and a pivot table. These are all fairly standard Excel tasks. So I come over here to my Copilot and I'm just going to say, go to my chat here, see what it says. And it's going to hopefully tell me something it wants to do. So what I could do if I wanted to is I could kind of, you see there, it gives me a bunch of options here with this one. All right. And there's another one here. So this is kind of a useful thing just to look at if you're kind of looking at this one. So what I want to say is filter this data set to only show me females using credit cards. Okay, so let's see what it gives me. Now, by the way, no matter what you do, this is not a very complicated thing to do, okay? And probably if I did it myself, I'm going to do it quicker. So this is one thing to bear by in Copilot. If there's kind of simpler stuff, all right, if there's simpler stuff, oftentimes I would have had that done in 2 minutes. Okay, so like say if I come over here to this one, select all female credit cards. There we go, that's done. Now that's actually much faster than what Copilot did me. All right, so just bear that in mind. Now what I could say instead, okay, and it's giving me 163, that one there. I can download as well if I wanted to. Now what I could do now is I could say, look, please format this data set to show me every customer type. And also, if you're using this, try and use the actual headings. Every customer type that is normal with a total spend over 500. Yeah, let's see if it gives it to me now. So this is what I'm hoping it'll do, is it will give me some conditional formatting and that basically highlights those ones. Now I could also have done this with a formula. Okay. Yeah, see now it hasn't done what I wanted. So I could say, look, add conditional formatting. Okay. Oh yeah, and please add conditional formatting. And let me do one thing at a time. Formatting for this. Okay, now I'm just going to I'm going to say, can you apply this conditional formatting to this data set? Yeah, okay, so I'm going to say the full original data set. Yeah, again, that's not what I wanted. Okay. And I might just leave that as is. So let's see if it does something else. Okay. And you see up here, um, the link isn't live. And like you do see this a lot. Okay. I'm going to just say, try that one. And then the other one, I say, I want to say, create a pivot table from this that shows me total sales analyzed by payment type. I should spell analyzed by payment type. By payment. Okay. I want a chart and slicer with this. And I want it as a new sheet on the original, on this current file. Okay, let's see if it'll do that for me. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now I'm going to say the link isn't live. Yeah, it doesn't do any of those things. All right. So, yeah, I think the thing I'll probably charge another one is just see if I kind of don't do instructions. And let me just go up here to this one. And I'm just going to say, okay, let me just see if I open up this file, what it gives me. Open file. Yeah, it does look as though it's highlighted. It's filtered down to normal, but it's kind of highlighted everything. So again, that's not exactly what I wanted either. All right. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of another. It's always useful to do these things, but I think I might try something else for the next one. Okay, mind yourself and take care.